In this video, I'm going to show you 3 secrets to get the best possible sunset out of your raw file. Bonjour, mesdames et messieurs, my name is Serge Ramelli. My work is in 120 galleries around the world, and I love photography. I've been doing it professionally for now over 15 years. And I want to show you this trick. This is a photo I've shot of a beautiful sunset in Paris. So secret number 1, before you do your white balance, you got to get a proper exposure. I on purpose underexpose this photo to get all the details in the sky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a shadow, I'm going to bring down the highlight, and it's going to look really weird, but then I'm going to hold down the option key on my keyboard, and I'm going to drag the black slider like this until you see, the option key on a Mac or the Alt key on Windows will give you black points. I want what you see here in green and blue is 100% black. That's what you want. You want to go from darkness, and then I'm going to boost my whites, and I don't use the option key for this one until I've got a proper exposure. I might underexpose the photo a little bit, but now I'm liking this. Now we can do the white balance, and that's the big secret. I see a lot of people, they do the white balance first and the exposure after. No, you got to do the exposure first. Now on the white balance for sunset, what I advise you to do is look at daylight. Daylight I kind of like because it's preserving some of the blue and we got the warm. Then you can go to cloudy. Now cloudy, we lose almost all the blue there. And then shade, and shade we lost completely the blue. So usually what I do is I go to daylight. That's my big recipe. And then I just add a bit of magenta. That's my secret. And I can push the blue a little bit towards the yellow, but I still want to see some of the blue. Okay, I like this. Now, the secret number 2 is once you've done this, you go to the point color mixer, and you add saturation about 20 to 30 in the 3 warm colors, the first 3 ones, red, orange, and yellow. And now your sunset really pops out. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to crop this photo 16:9 because I want to get a little closer to the scene. Yeah, I want to get closer to this monument, something like that. I like this. And now, here's a bonus tip. I'm going to go here and I'm going to make a little gradient. On this one, so I'm going to make a gradient, and then I'm going to lower the exposure, okay? And the reason I do that is I want people to focus inside of the photo, but then I'm also going to add a bit of blue. So that I really go from blue to yellow and orange, which I really like. And then I'm going to make another gradient. Now, by the way, if you want to see a lot more example of this, I just came out with a new training on how to get award-winning photos in 12 weeks and get published. The link is under this video. You can get an amazing release price on this training. And then I'm going to lower the exposure like this. Boom. And now I'm focusing the eyes inside of the photo. Now, a couple of bonus tips. You can also go in there and make a circle around the sunset and boost slightly the exposure. Again, what we're trying to do is get people sucked into our photo in the middle. So we darken the top, we darken the bottom, we brighten the middle to get people inside. Little bonus tip on this one, and I love this that we don't have to go to Photoshop for this, is like I'm going to go here, make sure generative AI is used, and I want to erase that boat because I don't think it's nice. There is a rule in photography called the police border where you go all around your photography and you make sure you don't have something that's half in or half out. And that boat is kind of really annoying. And it used to be not really working. I hope it works now. Boom. Not so bad. And proposal number 1, proposal number 2, and proposal number 3. Well, like 3. And boom. Voila. Before. After. Now, again, if you're really passionate and you really want to work with me one-on-one, I've also freed up a few spots next week. You can book a call with me, and I can see how I can help you. I have a coaching program to really get you where you want to be. I also have workshops all over the world. All the information is under the video. I'll see you in the next video. I hope you learned something today.